How to fix screen recording failed to save in your device. For that, first of all, launch your settings on your device. From here, tap on screen time and go through the content and privacy restriction and make sure that all of these are allowed. Once you check that, go back to the settings homepage and tap on general. From here, check if any update is available to your system or not. If there is update now button, then simply hit on that and update your system. Once you do that, go to the iPhone storage and make sure that you have enough space to save that recording. Once it is done, at last, tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then reset all of your settings. Once you do that, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.